Collagen is an important protein for human body as it helps in the growth of bones, skin, cartilage, and tendons. As we start aging, the amount of collagen in our body starts decreasing. Ensuring proper collagen supply to the body and repairing the loss of collagen is important for the betterment of our bodies. Today we are going to talk about 5 best collagen supplements, which are necessary for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. So let's check them out.
The Trendy Beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
The Sanar Naturals Collagen Wrinkle Formula promises to give you a younger-looking skin and look after your collagen supplement to ensure a healthy lifestyle for you. It contains vitamin C, vitamin E, and rosehip, which work together to make you look younger and ensure healthy nails, hair, and joint support for your body. Its collagen type 1 and 3 ensures healthy body features and digestion system. This product is GMO and gluten-free. The collagen is collected from grass-fed sources, making it a complete natural product. The Sanar Naturals Collagen Wrinkle Formula has received many reviews and ratings on Amazon from users around the world. According to the reviews, this product delivers amazing results, and the dosage has been really favorable to the users. But some of them complain that the product has side effects and didn't actually work on them. Time to check out the ratings. Ensuring proper nutrients to your body sometimes becomes a challenge. Bring that perfect glow to your skin and live carefree with Bloomy Biotin Collagen and Keratin Capsules. These capsules are made of 5 types of collagen to provide proper nutrients for your skin, hair, nails, and joints. This product has a multivitamin complex which consists of biotin, collagen, and keratin. Biotin helps to provide stronger hair and a full hair growth cycle. Collagen improves your skin elasticity and reduces wrinkles, giving you that perfectly glowing skin, and keratin guarantees strong hair and healthy joints for you. The Bloomy Biotin Collagen and Keratin Capsules are 100% natural and GMO and gluten-free. Bloomy Biotin Collagen and Keratin Capsules has earned a lot of reviews and ratings on Amazon. According to the reviews, these capsules significantly improve the quality of skin, nails, and hair, and create a positive effect on the body. But some users complained that they didn't notice any improvement and faced side effects after taking it. Let's check out the ratings for the collagen supplement. If you are tired of taking supplements every day for ensuring proper protein supplement, try these fruit-flavored gummies and never regret again. MAV Nutrition brings you the best collagen gummies, which you can take anywhere, any day, and live tension-free. These gummies solve your problems of aging and helps you to build strong muscles and healthy skin, hair, and nails. It also effectively removes joint pains and digestion problems. The delicious fruit-flavored gummies are made of hydrolyzed collagen types 1 and 3, vitamin C, vitamin E, biotin, zinc, and selenium. These ingredients come together in developing healthy skin, reducing inflammation and breakouts, as well as improving absorption. Maintain the firmness of your skin and avoid aging problems with the MAV Nutrition Collagen Gummies. The MAV Vitamin Gummies has received quite a good number of reviews and ratings on Amazon. According to the reviews, this product has met the expectations of its users and provided them with satisfactory results. But some users complained that they faced breakouts and side effects after using the product. Let's check out the ratings for the collagen supplement. The NeoCell Super Collagen Supplement enhances your natural inner beauty and fights the signs of aging. The supplement is made of type 1 and 3 hydrolyzed collagen peptides and vitamin C. These ingredients help to ensure maximum benefits for your skin, hair, and nails at the cellular level. It also provides you healthy joints and ensures a radiant, glowing skin and healthy body. It is made from grass-fed sources and it's gluten-free, so you can take it without any hesitation or worry. The NeoCell Super Collagen is a very popular product among users from different countries. The product has many ratings and reviews on Amazon. According to the reviews, this product drastically develops the quality of your skin and helps you with the other health-related problems. But some users said that they didn't get any fruitful result after taking this product. It's time to rate this collagen supplement. Ensure maximum goodness of your body with the Multicollagen Plus supplement. It is made of chicken, eggshell, marine and grass-fed beef collagen sources. It has bioperine, a black pepper extract which helps to improve absorption. The pills are formulated with all 5 types of hydrolysates, so that you don't have to buy other supplementary products to meet your health needs. It promises to give you healthy-looking skin, hair and nails, and assures to reduce your joint pains and digestion problems. The Multicollagen Plus supplement is one of the best-selling collagen supplements on Amazon and has received a huge number of reviews and ratings. According to the reviews, this product remarkably treats joint pains and improves hair, nail, and skin quality. But some users complained that they faced health issues after taking the pills. Let's check out the ratings for the collagen supplement. So these are our top picks collagen supplements. If you like the video, then hit the like and share it with your friends. Comment below to let us know about your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.